Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Juniper HR account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Now open your web browser and in the search bar type in Juniper HR login, and as a result you can see the options over here. Click on the first one, Juniper Education, or you can type in junipereducation.org. It will take you to the official website of Juniper Education. And in this interface, you can see the login button over here in the top right hand. Click on the login button. It will take you to the login portal. And over here in this page, enter your username of the account and enter your password like this. Click on Remember Me if you are using your private computer to stay logged in, but I do not recommend you to do that in public computer. And once you do that, click on Login button. You should be able to log in into your Juniper HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your password or lost your password, you can recover it by clicking here Lost Your Password. Also, if you want to create an account, you can click here Create an Account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.